Hey guys, welcome back to Sun Crypto. It is just about 8:30 a.m. March 7th, 2020. In today's content, I'm just gonna give you guys a very quick update regarding the rising wedge we got right there, and then another one we got right there. So basically, if you invert the chart, you can clearly see that's the same setup. We talked about it a couple days ago before even we got this wedge, and then it is pretty much very aggressive, and most of the time it is going to give us a big move. Okay, so we're going to try to define like which way the market going to be going, at least for the short term, right? So let's take a look at it on the that's the 4-hour time frame, right? So you can see like on the 4-hour time frame, we already got a three-way move. So we already got a three-way move. This move, it was pretty much very impulse. So if like we got an impulse, a three-way move, you could say like, okay, I'm looking for a 5-wave. Okay, yes, you could get your 5-wave, but if you get a 5-wave, you're still gonna get another 3-wave move out. Okay, another 3-wave move to the downside. So either way you look at it, right? Either way you look at it, market most likely going to be giving us another pullback. Okay, it is pretty valid to say like you got 535. Okay, or you could say, okay, yeah, you're gonna get this 5. Okay, this is your wave number 5, and then you could get another 3 and then another 5, which means like this correction could take forever, right? At least for the short term. And I don't think like we're gonna get a big crossover, basically big correction like this. At least for the short term, I'm anticipating this to be the necessary correction. It could push higher, but it only could be like a a 3-wave move. Okay, on the bigger picture you could just see like a 3-wave, but if you look at it on the lower degree, you might see like a 3, you might see like a 5-3 and then a 5-wave structure to the upside, right? So but this is just to confirm like the bearishness of BTC, at least for the short term. This wedge, okay, coupled with this wedge, we got just about this area, and on top of that we got the same structure in terms of moving averages. You can see like the moving averages, it is the same exact basically. Let's take a look at it. Okay, so in terms of moving averages, it is the same exact move. It is the same exact basically setup. So you can see like as now we started to get very close to the about to get this crossover, this bearish crossover. What happened? Okay, we got the reversal. Now we're about to get the bullish crossover. What can you expect? We're most likely gonna get this reversal to the downside. I just showed you. Okay, if you invert this chart once again, if you invert this chart, you're gonna get the same thing. Can you see like it is the same exact setup? Okay, same exact setup right there and right there. Okay, so and then you got this move and that move, so it is the same move. Okay, so let's just be very cautious. Even like the bottom formation we got in this area, even the bottom formation we got right there. Okay, that's the inverse bottom formation we got, and I showed it to my guys. I said like this move, it looks like a 3, but it's not a 3. It is very important. It is very important. It's most of the time a bottom formation type of structure. All right, so let's keep that in mind. So market could be very volatile within the next few hours, at least for the short term. So now let's take a look at the weekly time frame. I think we got enough bump for this week. I don't see like a BC pushing all the way up to like a 96, 97 areas this week. Maybe next this week I don't see us like a, I mean like a this, when we get the new I mean within the next 24 hours, that's what I mean. Okay, within the next 24 hours, I don't see like a BC basically pushing up to like a 96, 97 area. Next week, if okay the bulls strong enough, they can try to like retest like a 95 to 97, up to 96, 60 at least, right? But that's the highest I can see like the bulls basically gonna be able to push the price to the upside. Okay, unless they bring like a very big volume. Okay, very big volume. Speaking of volume is still very low. You can see like you do not want to be seeing like a price going to the upside and then basically volume is decreasing. That's not a good sign, at least for the short term. It is telling us like we're going to be getting a very big breakout within the next few hours. So let's be ready for some volatility. As I said during my live stream, volatility going to be very high. And at the same time, guys, I already showed you regarding the head and shoulder, we could be anticipating. You got your push to the upside, another push to the downside. So we could be anticipating this move, but as soon as we drop all the way down to like a low 8k range, 82 to 8300 range, we're gonna talk about this move and what could we be expecting after this. Okay, because most of you guys already know it is going to be a one-to-one extension, but most of the time, guys, you don't get the one-to-one extension, you get something before the one-to-one extension. So as soon as we get this move, we're gonna talk about this head and shoulder and see how we're gonna be playing it. How we're gonna be playing this head and shoulder. Okay, so we got this head and shoulder right there. Okay, we got this head and shoulder, we played it beautifully, right? We got this head and shoulder. Okay, we got another one right there, right? That's your right shoulder. You could call it your right shoulder. This one you could just look for this to be your right shoulder right there. Okay, you got one, and I'm anticipating another one just about this area. Okay, so let's see how we're going to be able to play this out within the next few days, at least for the short term, right? All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Make sure to hit the likes, make sure to subscribe, and basically join our public Telegram group. Link is in the description. If you want to upgrade to our premium member, make sure to send me a message so you can upgrade to our premium member for some daily analysis, price target, basically a strategy, setup, and all that good stuff, right? All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching.